Welcome back to the channel. This is Austin with Tier1autohaus. Today we're going to do an install on this boring Cybertruck and change it to a changing it from this boring color to mineral blue Pure PPF. Stay tuned for the transformation.
Behind me, we have yet another Cybertruck receiving the same service in Color PPF. Whether it's Color PPF or clear paint protection film, the benefits remain the same. Now we'll go over the benefits of receiving Color paint protection film. Aside from it making your car look better, you get protection against damage like rock chips and debris, self-healing capabilities within the film, and inevitable resale value with your vehicle. With that being said, the film can be washed and waxed like your vehicle's paint, and any damage can be quickly and easily repaired, making it one less thing you have to worry about. Color PPF not only protects your vehicle's paint, but also enhances its gloss and shine. The film's advanced technology ensures a smooth reflective finish that will make your vehicle stand out. Don't let the elements damage your malicious paint. Protect your investment with Color Paint Protection Film. Contact us to learn more or to schedule an appointment.